Practice makes perfect. Know what I'm saying, though?
Too perfect.
It's time for the first ever bubble wrap battle. Jousting, scooter races, and paintball. Here we go! In today's battle, we've got 5 guys fighting for 3 spots in the finals for a chance to win the ultimate bubble wrap trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, we're on top of Bubble Wrap Mountain, and it's time for a jousting battle! Tyler versus Derek! Ready, set, go! This is the title fight. Cody versus Ty. Ready, set, go! Next competition, scooter race on Bubble Boulevard. I could throw some major bows. Just adding the finishing touches to Banana Corner. Might have a catastrophe or 2 happen here. We're ready to race.
We are on top of the world. We are on top of the world.
What a race! Oh my gosh. We had a massive Banana Corner wipeout. It feels great to advance.
On top of the world.
Welcome to the Bubble Wrap Paintball Palace. Go ahead, comment below, call us pansies, but hey, we're the ones that don't have welts at the end of the day. So let's play some paintball!
Here's the deal, I got nothing to lose. I'm going full speed. If I get hit, I get hit. What'd I say?
And the winner, get it!
I stuck to my word, I committed, and I crushed.
So it's time for the sumo battle to see who brings home the trophy.
Get it started, Ty.
Wrap me up! Spin me! First ever Sumo Smash Bash Bubble Wrap Champion. Last one in the circles bringing home the trophy. Woo! I have an itch on my nose. 3, 2, Sumo! Oh, he's in, he's good. Good gear, finish him! Oh! Get it!
presentation, Tyler, IW, the 2015 Bubble Wrap Appreciation Day Champion of the Factory and Champion of the World.
I gotta give it to you.
How'd you get your own?
Wow.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Special thanks to our friends at Bubble Wrap for letting us take over the Bubble Wrap Factory. Click here for more Bubble Wrap fun. Also, special thanks to our friends at Sony for hooking us up with the Sony Action Cam. Click right here to see the Sony Action Cam bonus video.
It's good.
And click right here to see our last video. Signing off. Boom! Pound it! Core! Noggin! Coach! Hat throw!
Camo hat throw!
Bubble Wrap Popper!